What's good? What's good? Haven't done it in a while. I'm back for another video. Something quick and easy. A little tutorial in Logic for everybody who wants to know how to get BPM for the song when you're about to go into a session. You know, the first thing you need to do is, if it's an MP3, you need to go in there and you need to cut off that first dead silence that you have at every song that's an MP3 is like this dead silence in the front of all of them. I always cut it off. Um, I noticed in Pro Tools sometimes it'll, well, any program really, it'll throw the timing of your BPM off. So I like to go in there, I like to cut that off. Then after that, next step is to get the tempo and put your beat, your session to the tempo of the beat. So I'm gonna grab one of mine just for copyright and all of that. So there's just a lot of beats I got. I'm just gonna pick one. See which one I want to do. Yeah, guess it don't really matter. All right, I grab this little R&B beat, drag it into Logic. You can press Z to make it a little bigger. All right, now let's get the tempo of this. All right, to zoom in, I'm pressing Option and Command at the same time. I'm on my laptop and I'm just scrolling the trackpad down. Depending on how you have it set up, it might be up or down. And this is an MP3. And like I said, it's always this little dead silence in the front. Let me grab it and take it off. All right, I'm using my marquee tool to take it off. You do that, press an Option, select it. To select in Logic, all you have to do is just click on it and it'll select what you have selected with your marquee. So I delete that. I drag this up to the front. It'll snap in place. Then on our tools, let me bring Logic over so y'all can see where I'm going. Alright. You just go to your tools. And you want to go to metering and grab the BPM counter. Alright, I'm going to play a beat. Turn this down since I'm recording my mic. See if it's going to get the BPM for it. Alright, let's see if it's going to get the BPM for us.
DJ Fury.
Alright, I got the BPM. I actually made the beat at 148, but it's 74. It's the exact same thing. So if you like any beats like this, I will have beats like this on my site. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here to advertise my beats, but it is one of mine. So if you want to get in touch with me about beats, hit me up. But yeah, this is just a quick little tutorial for Logic. How to get the BPM for your session. And remember to always cut off that first little silence in the beginning. And you want to check it out and make sure it's on beat. Alright. So we're going to check it out and make sure it's on beat. Let's zoom in. Alright, now let's set our tempo. Tempo is 148 or 74, so either one. Same thing. Check the metronome.
DJ. 'DJ. 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 'DJ.
Alright. And that's perfectly on beat right there. Alright, man. I'll be back with another video soon. Little simple stuff like this for Logic, and I will get into some more advanced stuff with Logic, Pro Tools, stuff like that. Help y'all out, man. Just a quick way to get going with your mixes. If you're doing session, if you want to record on your own, you just bought Logic, you just got whatever Pro Tools. This working anything. But I'll come in here if you got Logic, use the BPM counter. One of the best tools you can get. Another great tool you could get for that is Virtual DJ Home. It's free. So download Virtual DJ Home. If you don't use Logic, it's a good way to get the key and to get the BPM for all your beats that you're about to record and all that. So if you're using Virtual DJ, that's a great way to get the key for the song. But yeah, use that for your auto tune, all that. For the most part, I say it's usually about 90% right. Sometimes it might be off a semitone, so it might say it's a major and it might be a minor or something like that. That's the only thing I've seen wrong with Virtual DJ. For the most part, it's 100% right when it comes to the key, getting the auto tune right. So yeah, quick tutorial, Logic, little info on Virtual DJ, helping y'all out with your home studios, man. All right, peace.